Would you look at my collection? So many cool cardboard machines! Press here and you'll get a candy. Press here and you'll get a whole lot of candies. Press here and guess what? You'll get even more candies! And this is something special. You only need to... Oh, no! But how? What? Oh, come on, machine. You still can... Oh, Sue will be so upset. She spent so much effort on making this machine. Do you remember the video where she made this machine? Oh, maybe hide it and she won't know? Oh, no, I can't. Hiding mischief is a bad idea. I'll go and tell her. Susie?
Yes, Sammy?
I, did something.
Something good?
Not exactly. Come, I'll show you. Here.
Oh, what a pity. It was a cool machine.
Yes, I know. I'm sorry. It was an accident.
Things happen, Sammy. It's all right. But now there'll be room for a new machine.
A new machine?
Yes, I've already started working on it. Come, I'll show you. Hi, guys. Of course, it's sad when old things break. But when old goes away, there's a place for something new. Give a thumbs up if you agree. So today, we're going to make something completely new.
I don't even know. Does that mean it's not a candy machine?
No, Sammy. We're going to make a racing game.
Races? Awesome. Who's gonna race?
Superheroes. Superman, Flash, Hulk, Batman.
Oh, stop. Who can race against Flash and Superman? They're like the fastest in the world.
No, Sammy. They will be replaced by these marbles in the race.
I don't get it.
Well, I'll demonstrate when we finish the racetrack.
All right. Tell me what to do. Your best ever assistant is ready.
Thanks, Sammy. Right, let's see. Oh, here's a task for you. Tear the upper layer off of these cardboard strips. I'll need lots of these.
Ha! Tearing off is something I could definitely do.
And I'll prepare some other pieces. Let's start with this circle, 14 centimeters in diameter. I need to cut out a small opening a bit larger than the diameter of the marble, so it will go through freely. Be careful with the cutter. Right. Now we need to divide our circle into several equal sections. A ruler and a pencil will help me with that. There! It's important to make all sections evenly wide. Hey, this is fun. Right. And now, Sammy, have you got your cardboard strips ready?
Almost coming. Here.
Oh, Sammy, is that difficult?
No, not difficult at all. You know I'm very skillful. I just need to get used to it. Onward! A whole lot of cardboard strips await me!
Oh, our brave Sam. Guys, subscribe to the channel, please, to give Sam even more confidence. And I'll glue a strip of flexible cardboard around the whole circle. This is the piece I've made. And I've glued a strip for the future racetrack on one side. Let's continue making this piece. You will soon see what it's for. We need to make cuts along the lines like this. Go slowly here. Do everything carefully.
Susie, are there more cardboard strips here?
Yes, Sammy. It'll be a rather long racetrack, so we'll need lots of strips.
I'm delighted and horrified at the same time! Hey!
Right. This piece will have a bottom. I'll just take a bigger circle for this. And now, I'll glue the circle to the piece.
Need to make more strips! The more hardworking I am, the faster Sue will forgive me. Or perhaps she isn't angry. What do you think, guys? I'll continue.
Right. Now that the piece has a bottom, we need to glue each segment of the upper circle to it. I'll use super glue for that. One drop and press. And repeat all around.
What if Sue won't let me play the new game? What if she decides I can't be trusted with such things? Oh, I just need to do my best! Guys, have you ever broken someone else's toys? What did you do after? Write in the comments!
I glued some construction paper to the segments to make it prettier. Let's cut out a hole. Aha! Done! Now look, let's place a marble here and... Up! An obstacle on the racetrack. We'll see which marble passes it first. And we'll need 3 of these obstacles. Beside the funnel, we'll also make a small revolving door out of wooden sticks. Ta-da! Done. Oh!
I was doing so well that I overdid it and tore them unevenly. What do we do now?
Don't worry, Sammy. We've got Plan B. Here, we'll use this cardboard ribbon. Let's go!
I need to train well, then I'll be able to outrun even superheroes.
Well, you can try, but remember, we're using marbles, not actual superheroes.
Well, I can at least try.
You can. Let's start assembling our racetrack. For the base, we'll take these columns out of 4 cardboard strips glued together. The columns have different heights. That will help the marbles move forward. Downwards. The highest column and the column next in height will hold the starting pad.
A starting pad? Awesome! Just like a real race!
Sure, what else did you expect? Here's our starting pad. We need to glue a cardboard tube to it to help the marbles go down. Carefully now. And let's glue it in place, right here.
Oh, that's high. Marbles have a long way to go.
Yep, it'll be fun. Right, we'll place a lower column here. These popsicle sticks make a great base. Let's place the first funnel obstacle onto it, like this.
Oh, I can hardly wait to see this funnel in action!
You'll see soon enough. We'll connect the funnel with the first racetrack using this wooden stick to make it sturdier. Done! And now we can set all other columns and obstacles the same way and connect them with racetracks. Not all. We need to make the last obstacle and the finishing pad.
Which last obstacle?
Look, I'll insert drawing pins into this cardboard piece so that the marbles can pass around them. Let's glue the finished piece onto our racing field at an angle. This will prevent the marbles from getting stuck and help them get to the finish as fast as possible. Now we only need to add a finishing pad to make sure the marbles stop.
Easy! What about decorations? I cut them. I did my best.
Really? Oh, then sure. Let's place them on our racing field. Start. Finish. Obstacle flags.
Oh, and me! Let me!
Sure thing.
There. Susie, how will we remember which marble represents whom?
Oh, that's easy. Right, I'll glue this marble stand onto our game board. These straws of different heights are for awarding the winners. And to make sure we remember who is who, let's prepare some stickers with images.
And so, today is the day for the great marble race. But these won't just be marbles. They will represent great superheroes. Superman, Hulk, Batman, Flash, Spider-Man, Captain America, and Iron Man.
Guys, try to guess who will come in first.
Let's see who's the fastest. Let 'em roll!
And they're off. They passed the first obstacle.
Looks like Captain America is a bit behind.
But they all continue the race.
What a competition! Spider-Man, Captain America, and Iron Man. Superman is the first, followed by Hulk.
Another funnel.
Captain America jumps first, the rest follow.
They pass through the revolving door.
Hulk and Flash fall behind, but they continue. Almost at the finish. Superman, Batman, and Iron Man. The last obstacle. Oh, yeah!
And the winner is Superman. Second place goes to Batman. And third place, Iron Man. Let's give our winners and participants a round of applause.
Yeah! really liked watching this race. One more time!
Alright!
Guys, while we're playing here, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye-bye!